What's up everybody, Bubba D's here, and today we are making fudge. Yeah, you heard me right, fudge in the Instapot, Mealthy Pot, whatever you got. So what you're gonna need to start this all off is yellow brown sugar, a full can of condensed milk, 250 grams of salted butter, some type of measuring cup, some parchment paper, a baking pan, and some type of mixing device, whether it's your whisk or you're gonna be doing it electric. And of course, you're gonna need a Mealthy Pot or Instapot. So let's go ahead and put in our yellow brown sugar, 2 cups to be exact. Salted butter, 250 grams to be exact. Your full can of condensed milk, you wanna make sure you empty all of that out. Stuff is delicious. Just like that. And now you wanna go ahead and turn your device on to saute. It's gonna start to heat up, and it may do it a little bit quicker than others, and you wanna get your whisk and start mixing that up. The key is to keep it moving, because if you don't, you will get a burn bottom pan of burnt brown sugar. So you wanna keep it moving, just like that. The smoother it is, the better it's gonna taste. We're gonna go ahead and get our baking pan. We're gonna line it with parchment paper. We're gonna get ready to start pouring this stuff right into it. Make sure you use some type of silicone glove to protect your hands from burning. And then we're gonna go ahead and put it inside the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. Best results, I'd say, to leave it overnight. And then there you got it. You got some beautiful fudge ready to go. Go ahead and take that right out of your pan. You may need a knife to kind of score along the sides. Turn it upside down. Go ahead and cut it into some nice pieces for you, your family, and your friends to enjoy. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already done so, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna continue eating my fudge. I'm gonna continue enjoying myself. Nothing but the best to you and your family. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.